For sale, 2014 Freightliner M2-106 enclosed utility/service truck. For sale is a professionally outfitted enclosed utility truck designed for mechanical service operations, field maintenance teams, and businesses that require a secure, organized, and weather-protected mobile workspace. This unit provides the robust road performance expected from a medium heavy-duty chassis, offering stable handling and dependable drivability, whether operating within city routes, industrial sites, or long service corridors. The high-roof enclosed body is engineered to support technicians with ample interior standing room, abundant storage compartments, and workspace features that streamline daily tasks and keep tools and materials protected from the elements. Its design promotes efficiency, allowing operators to work comfortably in all conditions while maintaining clear organization of parts, equipment, and service tools. The truck's overall condition reflects responsible ownership and consistent maintenance, presenting a clean, professional appearance suitable for customer-facing operations. Ready for immediate deployment, this unit is well suited for companies seeking a durable, fully enclosed service platform capable of supporting demanding field operations with reliability and professionalism.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership. Because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.